Muling bayan, tumaling bayan, the first basket of Barangay Payapon, our score is 3-2. City now, the 3-point territory. Hagon, check ball by Muling Bayan, still on the win. Challenging Kitty, lays up there. Bagikawan, under the episode. Rebound double. And now Kitty, the 3-point territory. Isang Kitty now, looking as receiver. Kitty to Ostudo. Block by Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan now, check the ball. Para sa Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan sa Bagikawan. Atake in. 5-2. A 3-point lead by Barangay Payapon. And now Custodio, crossing to the midcourt. Custodio now, being harassed by Muling Bayan. The pass to Gomez. To the side is out. It's rebound by Bagikawan. To Mighty Mike. Apkis, the 3-point territory. Isang Apkisaw, rising the center is out. Rebound Badel. Custodio, to Halcon. Halconao, control the ball. Isang Halconao, looking to Silver. Challenging Magallanes. The pass to Gomez. And Gomez is low. Gomez, first line, in. Second and final throw. Happy viewing to Ate Maggie Parera at sa kanyang katabi. Bakang kumagali. 5-4. One point lead by Barangay Payapon. And now Apkisaw, slow dribbling, pasok kami dyan, and the right side. Magallanes, back to Apkis. Muling Bayan, shot! Ibang Badran Kitty now. Kitty to Gomez. Gomez out. Jump shot! Ibang Badran Halcon. Halcon now, looking at Silver. Halcon to the court channel, Custodio. Custodio now. The pass to Custodio. Jump to center. In. Change favor. Leading by 1 point by Barangay Balansay. 6-5. 7 minutes more to go for the first quarter. This is our third and last game tonight. And now Muling Bayan. Isang Muling Bayan now. Pass to Gomez. Apkis. 5 seconds to shoot. Apkisaw. Attacking. The pass of Bagikaw to side. Check. Apkis again. Rebound double. Looking is receiver. Apkis to Magallanes. Chantry. Check. Bandadal Custodio, to Custodio. Custodio now, pass to Halcon, Chantry. 8-5. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Bagikawan, and now is low. And now Kitty, the 3-point territory. Isirang Kitty now, running shot, in. Ang score po natin, 10-5. 5 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. And now Muling Bayan crossing to the midcourt. To Bagikawan. Bagikawan to Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan to Magallanes. 10 seconds to shoot. Magallanes attacking is in. 10-7. And now Custodio to Kitty, running shot, in. 5 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. 12-7. 6 minutes more to go for the first quarter, third and last game tonight. Magallanes to Muling Bayan. Apkis to Bagikawan. Bagikawan out. Block by Custodio. Custodio now, control the ball. The pass to Kitty. Pero hindi ka shot. Shot! Crossing to the midcourt. Muling Bayan. To Nicolas. Tap the side. In. 12-9. Ating tarin to just 2 points. And now Gomez. Abangin. Block by.
Naabot pa yun.
And now Apkisaw to 3-point territory. Pass to Muling Bayan. Chantry. Shot. Rebound battle Nicolas. Nicolas to Magallanes. Chantry. Shot. Rebound battle Gomez. Gomez now. Pass to the court general. Custodio challenging to Halcon. Halcon now. Attacking the side. Wala. Ewan natin Magalyon. Magalyon ang posisyon ng likod. To Maligbayan. To Montilla. Trio Alvarez. Maligbayan at Custodio. Out. Gandin po, isang magandang gabi sa State Chairman ng Barangay Balansay, Paul Brian Pirot. Gabi sir, happy viewing. And now, ano ba? Nicolas, Chacol, Montilla, Pereira sa Tisin. Isa na ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. 12-11. And now, Pidi Gomez. Short. And Mandarin Montilla. Montilla now to Anaba. Anaba now crossing to the midcourt. Looking is Siver. Montilla now in the center. Nicolas. Being harassed by Custodio. Anaba. 10 seconds to shoot. Anaba. Topis. Time 3. Short. Nako po. 4 minutes mo na go. And now Custodio to Pidi. 15-11. And now Muling Bayan to Nicolas. Back to Muling Bayan. To Anova. Anova now. Looking sa Siver. Anova. Muling Bayan na 3. Short. And now Custodio. The court general. Pass to Kidi. Alip Gomez. Short. Big rebound by Nicolas. Nicolas to Anova. Anova now. Sudah dibiling. Terapas to Montilla ke center. Wala. Oh. And now Kidi.
Wala mo ano ka?
First free throw. Halcon is out. This game is brought to you by Charlie. Short. And out. First try. Second and penalty. Muling Bayan. Out. Rebound by Nicolas. Nicolas out. Lumay si Siver. Pingaras by Alit. Isa Nicolas. 8 seconds to shoot. And now Anaba. 5 seconds. Anaba. Tumaglikawan. Tekol. By Halcon. Halcon to Kiti. Kiti now. Drapas to Halcon. Under the decision. What a nice communication in between. 16-11. 5 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Ito, Anaba. Out. Iwan battle, Alit. Partner. First try. Alit is out. Tatapusin na po natin lahat yung mga nabinbin na mga ibang schedule. 6 games po tayo bukas. Magsisimula ng alauna. And now Nicolas. 10 seconds to shoot. Out. Almero is in. 17 to 13. And now Alit. To Kiti. Easy ng Kiti now. Drop. And now Anaba. The 3-point territory. Football Tournament 2025. Sponsored by Honorable Yoti Tariela and Honorable Angelina Estria in cooperation with Attorney Arman Estria. 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining for the first quarter. And now Alit to Pedraza in. 19 to 14. 5 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Ano pa now? In the 3-point territory. Muling Bayan. Muling game tonight. And now Custodio. Pedraza the 3. Shot. Rebound battle ng Alit. Drapas. To Pet. Aling. 7 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balansay. Nicolas. And the right side. Tekol. Byron Robles. Robles now. Isa na rin dribbling. Robles to Custodio. Custodio now. Drop pass to Ali. Is in. 54 seconds remaining. 23. And now Anaba, the 3-point territory. 45 seconds. Out, levantado ng Custodio. Take ball by Atkins. Isa na Atkins now. Drop pass to Nicolas. That is in. 23 to 16. 30 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Robes in the trees. Out. Rebound battle ng Atkins. Atkins now, control the ball. 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds more to go. 10 seconds. And now Custodio. 10 seconds. 5. Tumanin na ito boys. 25 to 16. Garbi. Pa-break ako sa bad page na. And now Kitty. This is our second quarter. And now Kitty. In the 3-point territory. Block by Alumero. Ay, Muling Bayan. To Muling Bayan. That is in. 25 to 18. Ito ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. And now Kitty. Low yung receiver. Halcon. Jagabri. Wala. Rebound ba ng Atkins? Atkins daw, Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan, atake yan. Drop pass, tumidal, Magalion. Magalion daw, Luis Siber. Pass to Anova. Muling Bayan at the 3 is in. 20, Custodio. Halcon the 3, out. 10 seconds to shoot. And now, Halcon. Gomez. Kitty. Check ball by Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan to Muling Bayan to the one. Mighty Mike Atkins to Muling Bayan. Running shot. Shot. Rebound pa rin ng Muling Bayan again. Muling Bayan. Atkins to the 3. Shot. Rebound pa rin ng Muling Bayan again. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin ng Custodio. Custodio now. Pingaras by Anaba. Isa ng Custodio now. Atakin. Using the board. It's in. Quarter. And now Anaba, the 3-point territory. Anaba to Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan to Anaba. Magalion. Sa track. And now Custodio, the 3-point territory. Custodio to Custodio. Gomez short. Rebound battle ng Magalion to Muling Bayan. Isa ng Muling Bayan now. And now Magalion, drop pass. Jump! Muling Bayan, David Walisin. 27 to 23. A 4-point lead by Barangay Baransay. And now Hagon, pass to Kitty. And the left side. And now Custodio to Custodio. Custodio now, the 3-point territory. 10 seconds to shoot. And now Kitty, drop pass to Custodio. At the left, points. 29 to 23. This is our second quarter. Akyat sa anin ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. And now Anaba. Anaba to Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan to Anaba. 10 seconds to shoot. Isang Anaba now. Muling Bayan 3. Shot. And now Kitty. To Halcon. Lazy up. Turing na to boys. 31 to 23. Akyat sa 8 ang kalamangan. And now Atkins to Muling Bayan. Atkins to Magalion. Running shot. Out. And now Muling Bayan is out. Magalion again. Lazy up. Wala pa rin. And now Kitty to Custodio. Halcon. Andang medicine. Ang Hilina F. Priat in cooperation with Attorney Arman F. Priat. And now Apkis, to Panigawan, to Muling Bayan, Nicolas, 33, shot! Iban Badal Gomez. Gomez now to Custodio. Isa ng Custodio now to Gomez. Tarta side, wala pa rin. Iban Badal Panigawan. Panigawan to Apkis. Apkis now, control the ball. Pass to Nicolas. Turn around shot, wala pa rin. Muling Bayan, Panigawan, wala pa rin. Nicolas, connect to points. 33 to 25. Baba sa walo, ang kalamangan ng Barangay Baransay. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. And now hang on. Drop pass, Custodio, block by Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan, pick up the ball. To Apkis. Apkis out, crossing to the midcourt. Apkis out, to kay Siber. Apkis, to Panigawan. Isunod Panigawan, to Apkis. 10 seconds to shoot. Panigawan 3. Shot. Iban Badal, Custodio. Check ball. By Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan, to the big man, Muling Bayan. Please. Nicolas to Panigawan. Panigawan to Muling Bayan 3. Wala. The big man, Muling Bayan. And first rise in the fireman. Second and final throw. Awarded to number 30, Muling Bayan. Is also in. 27, 33, 27. Custodio now, signal the play. Isang Custodio. Hanggang tangabi po, NPBW. At sa kanyang may bahay, Ma'am Pema, hanggang tangabi po. Welcome po, welcome. Kaya 3 point by Hangkon. 36-27. 36-27. Ganun din sa inyo mga kasama. Apkis now, to Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan. Panigawan. Nicolas. 10 seconds shoot. Jagabi! 2 points only. Stepping at the 3-point line. And now the court general, Custodio. Isang Custodio now, 4 minutes more to go for the second quarter. Gomez, Tarta side, wala. Iban Badal Hangkon. Hangkon now to Custodio. Isang Custodio now, running shot, short. Ten seconds. Gomez. Check ball. Custodio up. A big rebound by Panigawan. To Apkis. Apkis now crossing to the midcourt. Apkis now. To Nicolas. Nicolas now. Out. Follow by Panigawan. Okay. 3 minutes, 33 seconds remaining for the second quarter. First half. And now Kitty. Lois Siber. Kitty to Hangkon in the 3. Short. Okay. Another turnover. A ball position para. And now Anaba. The 3-point territory. To Nicolas. The big man Muling Bayan. Back to Nicolas. Nicolas now. Attacking. Short. Rebound Badal Kitty. Kitty now. To Hangkon. Under the 15. 38 to 31. 2 minutes more to go for the second quarter. And now Anaba, the 3-point territory. Isunod Anaba now. Apkis, Muling Bayan. Naku, check ball. And now Custodio. To Kitty. Challenging Anaba. Up. And there is a goal. Pangilaw nyo na. Sige, pangilaw nyo. Yeah. Stand by. And now Anaba, the 3-point territory. Anaba now, lungay sa Siber. Pass to Panigawan. 10 seconds to shoot. Panigawan now. Drop pass, Apkis, running shot. Out. Iban Badal Kitty. Tumling to Hangkon. Hangkon now. Custodio. Lalit is in. What a nice communication in between. They have 40 to 31. Siyam ang kalamangan ng barangay Baransay. Muling at pagligawan, out. Ibang badilan. Muling bayan, Nicolas Tapri. Short. Big rebound by Custodio. Custodio now. To Kitty. Isa to Kitty now. To Allen. Listen up. In. 42 to 31. Akyat sa labing isa. Ang lamang ng barangay Baransay, 1 minute and 30 seconds for the second quarter. And now pagligawan, 10 seconds to shoot. A kiss to Nicolas, to the big man, Muling Bayan. Attacking shot, Muling Bayan. Siyam, ang kalamangan ng barangay Baransay. And now Custodio, the court general. The pass, check ball by Magalyon. To ano ba now? Muling Bayan. 1 minute more to go. Baba sa pito ang kalamangan ng barangay Baransay. 42-35. And now Kitty. And the left side. And now Kitty to Custodio. Custodio now. Champion. 44-35. 45 seconds remaining for the second quarter. 41 seconds remaining. First try in. 44-36. 40 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Algon. Bingaras sebagai Adaba. Kitty running shot out. Big rebound by Magalyon. 30 seconds. Magalyon, running shot, out. 25. Second penetro. Also in. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5. Muling Bayan short. At kay Danica. And out. Pagligawan. 8 seconds shoot. 5 seconds. Nicolas out. And now pagligawan. Check ball by Custodio. Custodio now. To Kitty, to Hagon. A miscommunication, and now Almero to Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan to Apis to Nicolas. Nicolas to Pagligawan. Pagligawan to Apis. 10 seconds to shoot. Muling Bayan 3. Shot. Ibang battle. Custodio to Kitty. Trapas to Custodio. Attacking is in. 48 to 36. 12 ang kalamangan ng barangay Baransay. This is our third quarter for the third and last game tonight. Almero at Kisitri. Shot. Rebound. Tackle. And now Custodio. Pick up the ball. Custodio now attacking. And now Apis to Almero. Almero now to Muling Bayan. Nicolas in the 3. Shot. Apis now long as receiver. Pass to Almero. Almero to Muling Bayan. Jump is in. And now Custodio to Alec. Algon to Alec. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Kitty in. 53 to 38. 8 minutes more to go. And now Muling Bayan, the 3-point territory. Isang Muling Bayan to Nicolas to Pagligawan. Perimeter shot is in. Baba sa 13 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Balasay, 53 to 40. And now Custodio, short, alis, red line, wala. Rebound battle Nicolas, to Abkistao crossing to the midcourt. Abkistao, paglikawan and the left side, paglikawan to Nicolas. Now Nicolas, to muling bayan to paglikawan, short. Rebound battle Custodio. And now muling bayan crossing to the midcourt. To Abkistao, muling bayan Nicolas is the 3, short. Rebound battle Alec. Check ball by muling bayan. Isang muling bayan now crossing to the midcourt. Isang muling bayan drop pass to Almero. Almero now, paglikawan, Perez shot is in. 53 to 42. Baba sa 11 ang kalamangan. And now Custodio. Portugal for the third quarter. First try, Custodio is in. 54 to 42. 12 kalamangan ng Barangay Balasay. Second and final draw. Is also in. 55 to 42. And now Alaba crossing to the midcourt. Yan pa now, the 3-point territory. Pass to Abkis, to Almero. Jump. Rebound Madren Gomez to Custodio. Custodio to Halcon. Run service in. 57 to 42. And now, the 3, short. Rebound Madren paglikawan. Paglikawan to Alaba. Isang Alaba to Abkis. Magalion. Alaba the 3, short. Palo kay Abkis. Nice uplift. Sin. 57 to 44. 13-point lead. And now Kitty. Lowing receiver. 15 seconds to shoot. Kitty now. Drop pass. To Alex is in. 5 minutes more to go for the third quarter. And now Alaba signaling the play. And now Magalion running shot for the Gato Boys. 59 to 46. Halcon, Lois receiver to Kitty, signaling the play. Easy. 59 to 46. 12 seconds to shoot. And now Gomez. 8 seconds. Gomez. Alec. Out. Knocked by Magalion. And now Abkis. Pass to Villas. Check ball by Custodio. And now Kitty now. Perimeter shot is in. 61 to 46. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the third quarter, second half. For the third and last game tonight. Abkis is the 3, is in. 61 to 49. Calco in the 3, is in. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. And now Alaba. Isa na raw pala ng 3-point territory. Lace up, out. Badran Arif, check ball. May pagligawan, challenging Custodio. Lace up in. 64 to 51. 13 kalamangan. And now Arif. With the ball. Kitty, Arif. Perimeter shot. Short. Ibang badalan, Abkis. Abkistao crossing to the midcourt. Isang Abkistao, lays it up, is out. Ibang badalan, Kitty. To Gomez. Out. Ibang badalan Magalion. And now Alaba. The 3-point territory. Ano ba ito? Muling bayan. Ito ano ba? Muling bayan. Muling bayan. Ito Bilyas. Shot aside. Out. Ibang bato ng Kusujo. Kusujo now. Pasok Kitty. And the right side. Back to Kusujo. Signal the play. 13 seconds to shoot. And now, Pedraza. Kusujo. Back to Pedraza. Shot aside. Out. And now, muling bayan. To ano ba? Ano ba now? Pass. Tanya na the three. Short. Ibang bato ng Kitty Bilyas. Bilyas now. To Tanya do. 8 seconds to shoot. Muling bayan. Let's go. Peace out. Second personal foul. Second personal foul and third for the team foul. And now Kusujo. To Kitty. 14 seconds to shoot. Pedraza, the three, bang! 67 to 51, 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining for the third quarter. And now Anaba, to Muling Bayan now. Magaling the three, short, palak kay Bilyas sa south. Kusuyo, to Pedraza. Bravo. Original Bravo. The Black Mamba. Ilaw na, pwede lang naman. Ibang batan ng mga Leon. To Anaba. Anaba na, kontra goal. Anaba, attacking Lisa Bilin. 67 to 53. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Alik, control the ball. To Pedraza. Pedraza now. Albaw! Team! Sabay jogging, oh. 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining. And now, Muling Bayan. To Anaba. Asian Anaba now. Control the ball. Attacking! Track by Alik. Tagayin. Short. Iban na rin Magalion. Jason Tañedo. Short. And now, bakit? Foul. Kusuyo. First line. C. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 70-53. 70-53. Second line. Also in. 71 to 53. And now Anaba in the 3-point territory. Check ball by Kusuyo. Check ball by Anaba. Anaba now. Kusuyo the three. Shot. Ibang kagad Kusuyo. To Kusuyo. Kusuyo. Trapas. Kapag sa screen. 73. 20 ang naman. 50 seconds remaining. And now, Muling Bayan. Pass to Anaba. Anaba now, control the ball. Attacking. 44 seconds remaining. First line, Anaba is out. Second and final throw. And down, Albaw. To Pedraza, back to Albaw. Albaw now. 35 seconds. 2 points. 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Muli po, isang magandang gabi sa ating former Vice Mayor, Honorable Joel Panaligan. At sa kanyang may bahay kay Montera. Nagbabalik bukal, Panandalawigan. And now up is the 3-point territory. Short. Ivan Badran Custodio. Custodio now. Take ball by Apis to Muling Bayan to Paglikawan. And the whistle blow. And now Nicolas to Apis. Apis now control the ball. Pingaras by Padrasa. Muling Bayan to Paglikawan. Paglikawan now. Pingaras by Gomez. Aman to Mantides. Paulan. Pakatari. Ini. Sisik-sik pag manang atak ini. Ano yan? Game. Tumuling Bayan. Tatari. Shot. Iban Badan. Amay Timay. Apis. Tumuling Bayan. To Paglikawan. Paglikawan to Datiglan. Oh, nawala. And now Custodio. Take ball by Muling Bayan. To Apis. Apis now. Atakin sa atas to Datiglan. Muling Bayan is in. 77 to 56. And now Pedraza. 12. Second to shoot. Goes out. Under next in. And now Muling Bayan. Tumuling Bayan. Check ball. Michael Studio. Pedraza. Trapas to Hakon. Isa in. 81 to 56. And now Nicolas to Apis. Apis now to Muling Bayan. To Nicolas to the big man Muling Bayan. Muling Bayan to Nicolas. Check it. Short. And now Pedraza to Gomez. Gomez now to 3-point territory. Custodio. Custodio now to 3-point territory. Chance in. For the points. Kirby, paprint ako bukas ha, paprint ng schedule. Apis to the 3, short, K. Custodio, crossing to the midcourt. Pedraza, in, 86. And now, ano pa? Paglikawan, out. Ibang batilan, Custodio. To Custodio. Gomez. Gomez to Custodio. 13 seconds to shoot. And now Custodio to Custodio. Gomez. 5 seconds. Halko to 3. Short. Ibang batilan, Apis. Apis now. Lays up is in. 86 to 58. 18.8. May Baransay. And now Halcon. Pass to Custodio. Custodio now to Pedraza. Gomez. Ibang Badal Nicolas. 6 minutes more to go for the fourth and final quarter. Ibang Badran Paglikawan out. Six to 58. At isaw to Nicolas. Paso Anova to Apis. Isaw to 3. Short. And now Custodio. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. And now Gomez. Halcon. Out. Tuan Bagilan. Muling Bayan. To Araba. Aisen Araba now. Listen up. Out.
Mura.